Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a GitHub Copilot subscription, a local or remote Jupyter environment, and the Copilot extension installed. Open your notebook and sign into GitHub so Copilot can authenticate. This lets it access context and suggestions. Once done, enable Copilot in the Notebook toolbar or command palette and pick the active kernel. You do this immediately because authorization and kernel selection control whether suggestions appear inline. So get them enabled before you write the first cell. Now focus on crafting inputs that guide Copilot. Type descriptive comments, function signatures, or sample inputs to shape suggestions. You will see completions inline, except with tab or the accept shortcut, or press Ctrl-Enter to run and iterate. Make edits immediately when suggestions are close. This trains your workflow and keeps intent clear. Also, make sure to include imports and docstrings in earlier cells because Copilot reads surrounding code. Once it has context, completions become far more relevant and accurate. To finish, run the notebook cells sequentially and validate outputs against expected behavior. You want reproducible results. If a suggestion is wrong, rewrite the prompt or add constraints in comments, then request another completion. That iterative loop refines suggestions. If Copilot stops responding, re-authenticate with GitHub and restart the kernel. This resolves most interruptions. Finally, save versions frequently and use small cells for focused prompts so Copilot stays context-aware and your debugging remains manageable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.